Okay guys, so this is how you guys are going to do your painting for today. You guys are going to have a sheet of paper. Doesn't have to be very big. This is probably the 9 by 12-ish sort of kind of paper. You can have it smaller than that, doesn't matter. But you're going to need 3 colors. You're going to need yellow, red, and blue today. Those are your primary colors. We are going to create basically what's called a color mixing chart here, just so that we know how to mix each and every single color. So what you're going to do first is you're going to divide up your paper into 13 sections. So if I go in half, that's 1. This would be 3, see 3. And there's 4, right? 4. Now divide these up in half. Right? See how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need 13, so that doesn't work. So that's 8. This would be 9. Let's divide this one. 10, 11. Let's do this one. 12 and 13. It's okay that they're all not even. It's just to be able to get you a chart, okay? So you need 13 though, at least. Then you're gonna go 13 this way. Now, let's go 1. So it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, let's do this one, 12, and this one, 13. Okay? See? So, it's not perfect, but you can do it. Right? So, I usually put my initials right here because that's my blank spot. So, I put CB. Now, you're going to mark off your sides so you know what color is going to go in each spot. You're basically going to be filling in roughly 2 squares of each color. Okay, so just kind of keep that in mind. So we start off with red, then we go in our descending order. We're going to use kind of like a rainbow color. So red, and then it goes on to orange. But there's a color in between orange, which is red orange. So red orange, orange, then yellow orange, then yellow, right? Then yellow green, green, green blue, then blue. Let's put that as red. Then blue violet, violet, and you should end up with red violet at the very end. Now you're going to go in that same order going down this way. So we're going to go red here, red orange, orange, yellow orange, yellow, yellow green, oops, sorry, green, blue green, sorry, I actually did that, I did green blue, but it's backwards. My bad, teacher mistake. All right. Then it's blue, then it's blue violet, it's violet, and then red violet. Alright, so when you're mixing all these colors, you're first going to start off with your already primary colors because they're already mixed together. Okay, so that makes it super easy. So in this chart, you're going to fill in these boxes according to each one. So if it's red and red, you're going to mix this one red right here. So just take this pure color red, and I'm going to put it right here. Just like so. Right? Just like that. So sorry, I forgot to get my water cup, so I'm back. Alright, now you're going to get your next color, which would be yellow, right? So yellow and yellow right here. Okay? Yellow and yellow. Right, mix off my brush so I don't get any other colors on it. Now we're going to do blue and blue. So here is my blue. Here's my blue right here. So I'm going to mark in my blue. Now, nowhere else on the whole entire thing right here are you really going to need these pure colors unless you're mixing it in. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make nice batches of my secondary colors. How you make your secondary colors is we're going to start off with orange because orange is our next set. That's our secondary color. Right? If it has 2 letters, that's your tertiaries. So we're going to make our secondaries now. So we need a lot more yellow than we need red to make orange. So I'm going to put some yellow into here. I'm going to just scoop it out. Right? Take a pinch of red. I'm going to mix them together. And it makes a nice orange color. Right? Now this one looks a little bit more of a yellowy orange to me. Just going to add just a little bit of pinch more. Where it's just that nice orange color. Should look like roughly about a color of a mandarin orange or so. Okay? So I have a nice color of orange, so now I'm going to go with my orange layer. Orange and orange. That's where my orange is going to go. Right? Now I'm going to mix this off so I don't get any orange in any other color. And I'm going to keep that there. I'm not going to touch it. Now I'm going to make my green color. So I'm going to take some blue, a little bit of blue. Take a little bit of yellow. Gonna go like this, try to get some of that blue out of there. If I can. Right. Gonna make some green. Now that's kind of really yellowy green. Add a little bit of blue to it, a little more. Okay. And it makes a nice green color. So green and green right here. I'm going to color that in. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to make my purple. So now, I'm going to take my red, my blue, I'm going to make purple. Now, my purple is starting to look really red because red is really strong and I got too much red. So it kind of looks like a red-violet color. So I don't have to actually do it again later. I'm actually going to color in my red-violet right here. Yeah, because it looks like red-violet to me. Now I'm going to add a little bit more blue to it so that it makes it more purpley. Now, if yours looks more bluer than it does red, then you might have the violet color. There we go. That looks like my nice purple. So now in my purple colors, it's right here. Violet and violet. Right? So then now you're going to be mixing all your other colors. So if I'm going to make all my other colors, right? You're going to make red orange, right? So red orange. So I already have my orange right here. So if I take a little bit of my orange right here, right? Just add just a teeny bit more red to it. Teeny bit. Okay? I already have, now I have a nice red-orange color. Okay, now I need a yellow-orange color. So I'm going to mix off my brush. I'm going to take some of that orange. I'm going to add some yellow to it. So get some yellow, add some yellow to it. Now I have a nice yellow-orange. Right here, yellow-orange. right? So then you're going to just continue on. Do your yellow greens, do your blue greens, do your blue violets, right? So on and so forth, and fill up this whole thing. Now, when you're done with filling up all of it going diagonally, you're going to start kind of going down. So there's my red orange. Okay, so I have my red orange mixed with red, right? So red orange mixed with red. So red orange with a little bit more red. Right, so I just mix those two together and I put it right here. You can go ahead and fill up this area too because it's red and red orange. So you see? Fill up this area with that same color. Ta-da! Right. Now I'm running out of my little red orange, so that means maybe I need to make some more orange. So I'll take my yellow, take my red. Ooh, that's a little red. More yellow. Right. And I'll go ahead and just mix this in just to make a little bit more orange in there. So I have enough. Right, so that's all you do. Just kind of go along. So the next one will be orange and red together, which are orange and red. See? Orange and red make that kind of red-orange maybe. So if I take that and I go just a little bit like that with more red in it. Then I kind of go like this. Red and red-orange. And I put it right here too. So some of them are going to be roughly the same color, okay? Or they're going to look like the same color, and that's fine. It's just making sure that you know how to mix your colors together in order to get the colors you need, okay? Later on, when you kind of get down over here into these areas, that's where it's really going to be mixed up together. So in this area, they're all going to be roughly the same, and like it'll be the same roughly for those colors that match up too. So it's quite all right. So you're just going to try to fill up this whole entire chart. We're just practicing mixing and mixing colors so that we know how to make all of them. Okay, so just go ahead and fill up the rest of the chart, and I'll see you guys later. If you have any questions, go ahead and you may email me, you may go onto Zoom and ask me questions or anything else like that. So see you guys next time.